different sides of me that form my personality. I work with people and data and things, and each side of me has a song to sing.
Now I can be the kind of people who prefers to work with people, helping you or serving in some way. I prefer to guide and teach you, serve your needs. I'm there to meet you, reaching out to touch you every day.
And I'm the one who likes to sing whenever I'm at work with things. Using things is what I like to do. I work with things of different size, with different uses I've devised. To work with things is what I love to do.
And I feel that there's nothing greater than to work with facts and data. Information is the stuff I use. Investigators gather clues and commentators give the news. Data is the kind of work I choose.
So come along with me and see which of me you'd like to be. People, things, data too. We're all different sides of you know who. We all fit together to make up you.
Have you ever thought it might be fun to work as a news reporter or a postal clerk? Or maybe you'd prefer to be a scientist, a weathercaster or biologist. If you have a certain fascination for facts and information, if you like to add, subtract, or gather clues, then you've got the knack. Investigating, calculating, communicating too. Those who work with data work with facts, figures, and clues. Facts, figures, and clues. Let's take a look at the first on our list. She's the one who works as an ocean scientist. She searches for data that she hopes will be clues to help us understand the sea. She's a person with a fascination for gathering information, and all the people who gather facts have a lot in common. That's a fact. Investigation, observation, imagination too. Some study the stars and planets, to gather data we use. Facts, figures, and clues. The school secretary works with stacks of files, of schedules and records that she compiles. She types the reports and she orders the books, and all of the food that the lunchroom cooks. She's a person with a fascination for organizing information. She keeps the records straight, the schedule's handy and up to date. Organizing, itemizing, classifying too. Certain people organize the data that other people use. Facts, figures, and clues. The weathercaster is on TV, explaining things to you and me, the meaning of the data that he's obtained on temperature, winds, and sun and rain. His job is the explanation of the relevant information in such a way that we can see what tomorrow's weather will be. Explanation, education, demonstration too. Lots of people who work with data communicate it to you. Facts, figures, and clues. Have you ever thought it might be fun to work as a news reporter or a postal clerk? Or maybe grow up to be a scientist, a weathercaster or biologist? If you really have a fascination for facts and information, if you like to be exact or gather clues, then you've got the knack. Investigation, calculation, communication too. Those who work with data work with facts, figures, and clues. Facts, figures, and clues. Facts, figures, and clues.